In the fast-paced world of foreign exchange, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference. Let's start with Forex Factory Economic Calendar. As Forex traders, it is crucial to stay updated on key economic data releases to avoid being caught off guard by unexpected market volatility. So, how do we keep track of these economic updates? With a tool like the Forex Factory Economic Calendar here. Aside from showcasing the schedule for previous and upcoming data releases, this tool allows you to filter by different levels of impact and the specific currencies you want to focus on. TradingView.com is another extremely popular platform among chartists. It's essentially a social community platform for traders to interact and share their trading ideas. Apart from the community aspect, TradingView is one of the best platforms for charting, coming with hundreds of pre-built studies, 50+ intelligent drawing tools, and a set of tools for in-depth market analysis, covering the most popular trading concepts. It's also free to sign up, which you can do here. Finviz.com is a tool that's useful for scanning and tracking the performance of the markets. Essentially, this is a company research platform you can use to easily access market information. If you're trading Forex, you may want to consider using this tool to give you an overview of how the different currencies fare against their peers. All links will be in the description below. If you enjoyed the content, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload.